Hi guys, bonjour, tout le monde, zanmi mwen, famille mwen. How are you doing today? So I'm on the train with my sister. We're going to go out for my birthday. It's actually Saturday, and yeah, I don't know what we're doing because it's supposed to be a surprise. I'm kind of scared, but whatever. I don't know if you guys can hear me. If not, I'll probably just write what I'm saying down there. But yeah, so I'm taking you guys along with me because I can't leave you guys at home. Come on, I'm gonna take you with me. So yeah.
Before we get into it, like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. What happened?
I did my dad.
I don't think you guys can hear me, but whatever. We're in juniors right now. It's like they have like the best cheesecake in New York. So if you're ever in New York, come to juniors. But yeah, we're waiting for my sister. Bye. So I had my drink and we met up with my sister. She does not want to be on camera, so I don't know what we're gonna be doing. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but I'll probably read my lips when I'm editing and put it on there. I'm just gonna show your bottom half, okay, Jen? She doesn't want to be on camera. It's so annoying. But yeah, I had my my strawberry lemonade. It has, because you don't want to be on camera. You know people do that, right? Like for their family members that don't want to be on camera, they just show like down, from their head down. But yeah. I sure am. So we just finished eating. Wesley didn't like her food, but it's okay. So we're in juniors right now. My food was really bomb. I never had tartar sauce, and it was my first time tasting it. It was so good. And Wesley's asking me if I want to take it to go because I kept complimenting how good it was. But it was really good. You're not going to take it home? Oh, the limit is gone.
Andil na lang ba?
Povalisyo. Povalisyo. I wanted to put in the vlog that they don't, you know.
Uh-huh.
When do I stop this? So Wesley didn't like what they had at the restaurant into this smoothie spot, I guess. And so she's getting herself a smoothie. And yeah, then we're going to, so I kind of found out what we were doing. We're going to a male strip club. And I've been wanting to do that forever. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get footage in there, but whatever. I guess I'll have to try. But yeah. I don't know if I showed you guys my outfit, but this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing with some heels. Can't really see it because, yeah, I'm really short, and even with the heels, the pants are still falling over the heels. But yeah, I had this really good drink. It was called strawberry lemonade. It had vodka in it. I was a little tipsy, but then I ate, and now my buzz is gone, so that was depressing. But yeah.
My reaction will tell you guys whether or not to visit Green Apple on West 50th.
Hello.
It's not bad, but it's missing agave. It's not bad though.
So, guys, I forgot to pause the TV. Hold on.
You still love me. Yes, I do.
So, Kayla got me a birthday present. And I'm gonna open it because it's my birthday. I knew it. So, she got me a ring light because obviously I have been filming outside. Aww. Got a little note in here, I almost didn't see it. It says, if this would Then she asked me the other day, she was like, are you ever gonna get a ring light? And I was like, yeah, come on. And I was like, maybe she's getting me that. But then I was like, a gift for you. Happy birthday. But thank you so much, Kayla. Girl, you know I needed
I want to hug you. Here's my hug.
Let's open. Yeah, you will not camera. Oh, it has a stand. Guess this is what I'm gonna be building today. Thanks again, Kayla. I was just on the phone with you too, and I told you I didn't open it yet. But since you got off the phone, I was like, okay, I'm gonna open it now. Let's open. That thing was kind of heavy. But yeah, ooh, it has a case. I'm gonna finish opening this, and oh, I was just getting this clip so I could put in my vlog for the weekend because I think I'm doing something. If I'm not doing something, I'll just add this in to my next vlog. Bye guys, thank you so much again, Kayla. You are the best of the best of the best. I'm gonna go play with my ring light. Bye.
Wait.
Oh! It came.
Oh, it says Publix?
Oh, that, oh, what?
Well, the cake
For
came from
the bad Jenny,
No,
the cake
no.
bad Jenny. No, not too long, they bought the telephone now.
Playing with this all day. Now I
Don't
can
the cake bad Jenny.
I'm like really happy with my present.
The fish say happy
It's
birthday
ice
too.
cream.
Ice cream.
Bon anniversary to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Divana. Happy birthday to you.
The never-ending candles.
Oh my God!
All lighting up again.